Okay, we are at house number 1. This home has the 2 large side areas. One right here and one on the other side. Desert landscaping, so low maintenance, which is always nice. Property does have gutters. This home does have a newer roof and newer AC, which is amazing. And we will head on in. This one is a split floor plan. Bedroom over here. And second bedroom. Both look pretty similar in size. They are flipped. And you do have a secondary bath right here also. It does have a great closet, so you have a lot of storage areas in this one. You come out to the laundry room. Oops, definitely might need a fan sounds a little crazy. Laundry. So we're gonna go over here to the left. And this has the gate opening over here. Ground's pretty graded, looks great. Another low maintenance yard. This is the one that has the new roof. Other side. We'll head back in.